Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. Today's project is creating a Lego self-portrait. You will need a Sharpie marker, a pencil, paintbrush, watercolor paint, white paper, and water and a napkin, something to clean your paint. So let's get started drawing. I'm going to clear everything out. I'm going to just start right off with my black Sharpie and start drawing my Lego person. Right now we're doing a basic Lego person, and we will get to add our own details in a few minutes. So follow along with what I am drawing to get your basic Lego guy or gal on here. And remember, during the video, you can always pause, rewind. If I'm going too fast for you, that is the best part about drawing on a video. You always have it to refer back to. So right now I've got the head, I'm working on the arms. I'm gonna add my legs and my hands. Remember, our Lego hands are kind of like little claws. So we're gonna start by drawing two U shapes. Now I'm gonna add my rectangles for my legs here. I'm going to add two rectangles to the bottom for my feet. You can always add shoes if you like. I'm going to keep my Lego guy with the standard shoes as you see. Now I'm going to start adding my hair. And I am going to start by adding the hairline, and I'm going to add hair with pigtails. Remember, your hair, since this is a self-portrait, this is a picture of ourself as a Lego person. So your hair is probably not going to look like mine. You might have your hair in buns, you might have your hair in a whole bunch of tiny braids, you might have your hair in one big braid, you might have a buzzed head, you might have all different kinds of hair. So make sure you get your hair on your Lego person. It definitely might look different than mine. I'm drawing just a little bit of line detail with my Sharpie on there. Now when you add your face, a Lego face is just two circles for the eyes. I'm going to make them solid black and then just a smile. Now I'm going to start adding all my details. So I'm going to add glasses. I'm going to add a little bit of freckles onto my face. I don't want my Lego person to be just some Lego person. I want my Lego person to be me. So I'm going to add lots of patterns and designs on the shirts and the pants. I'm going to add a paint palette and a paintbrush to help symbolize that this is my self-portrait. I'm going to start adding my watercolor to my Lego self-portrait. And remember, when you're using watercolor, a little bit of water will give you a darker color. A lot of water will give you a lighter color. It's really important in our self-portrait to show that this is us. Yeah, we're a Lego, but this is our portrait. This is a self-portrait of us. I'm going to add a background or a border around it. I'm just going to use simple dots. And this is my Lego self-portrait. So I would like you all to have fun with this project, and I can't wait to see it.